This is Afam from Fuzotech, and in this video I'm going to be showing you some of the best ways you can conserve battery life while using Google Maps. Let's get to it. Okay, so tip number one, if you're low on battery, make sure you use the offline map. This simply means you don't have to be connected to the internet or to a Wi-Fi connection. You simply download the map and then you use it offline. I'm going to show you how to do this in a few simple steps. So first, you want to search for a location, so whatever location it is you're going to, and then once you've found the location, what you need to do is click on the name of the location. So here I have BA3, and then where you have these three dots, you click it and then you click download offline map. Okay, so once you've downloaded it okay, and then finally click on the download button here. Okay, so once you've downloaded the offline map, it might take a second depending on how good your internet is. Once moving to that location, you could bring up your downloaded map and then you navigate without needing an internet connection. So yeah, that's the first tip if you're running low on battery. The second thing you need to do is to turn off background app refresh. Now, generally while you're using apps on your computer, they get to refresh automatically most of the time. But this is it probably will drain your battery, and so you want to turn off that setting. So to turn off that setting, all you need to do is go to your settings app and then scroll down to Google Maps, because that's what you're working with. So where do I have Google Maps? There it is. Click on Google Maps and then you now have to click on the background app refresh to turn it off. So that's it. Once I've toggled off background app refresh, then I probably conserve some battery life. Okay, now the next tip you want to use is turning off live activities. So live activities in Google Maps provide real-time updates and notifications, and it requires continuous background processing and GPS usage. Turning off live activities stops these ongoing updates and will significantly reduce your battery drain. So to do this, once again, you want to open the settings app, and then while on the settings app, again you click on Google Maps like we did the last time, and then here where you have live activities, you toggle it off, and that's how simple it is. Okay, so the last tip I would give is disabling 3D buildings. On Google Map, if you have 3D buildings enabled, it's going to add a lot of detail. You will see three-dimensional structures on the map, but this requires additional power and rendering capabilities. So turning it off is always a good idea. To turn it off, you simply want to click on the layers icon, and then once you've clicked on the layers icon, you see here we have a lot of options. We have default, satellite, terrain, transit, traffic, biking, and then we have 3D. So if your 3D is on, you want to set it to either satellite or default. So right now I have it on satellite, but I'm taking it to default. Once you've set it on default, then you could use Google Maps and it wouldn't drain your battery as much. Then these are not app specific tips for conserving battery, but something else you may want to do is simply reduce the brightness of your screen. If you dim it a little bit, then you stop using a lot of battery power. And yeah, that's it for this video. Tell me if you have any other tips you've used that have helped you conserve battery while using the application. Yeah, see you on the next one. Ciao.